All right, what is up, guys? We are here inside the garage. We are going to be cold starting the 350Z. This thing hasn't been started in about over a month. So yeah, we're going to do a cold start on my 350Z. Let's see how it sounds. So I haven't made a video about my 350Z, but yes, this is my 2003 350Z. I've done quite a bit of work to it. So it's gone through like 3 different phases. So 3 different phases. This is pretty much its final phase. I don't really plan on doing anything besides maybe something in the engine bay, but that's for later on. For now, this is it right here. And if you guys want to know anything about my 350Z, comment down below. And yeah, we can definitely talk about it. So this is it right here. This is my baby. I've owned this for about 20 years. I think a little bit over 20 years. And yeah. This is my baby, and my other one is right over there, the GR Corolla, which is my daily driver. Yeah, so let's see how it sounds. Over here is the GR Corolla right over here in the back somewhere. And yeah, let's see how the 350Z sounds after over a month of not being started.
Not another one? Oh, for God's sake, I can't stand this.